All about pizza. Everyone loves pizza. It's one of the world's most popular foods. Pizza originated in Naples, Italy. It was a simple food. Poor people ate it. You can make and bake a pizza at home. The dough is just flour, salt, yeast, and water. It's so easy to make. Just add your favorite ingredients. Some people even have specialized ovens at home. Frozen pizza is another option. Super simple. You can have pizza delivered to your house. You can eat pizza in a restaurant. You can order pizza online. You can order thin or thick crust, or even deep dish pizza. Ingredients include mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, tomato sauce, tomatoes, peppers, and onions. There are so many different kinds of pizza to order. What kind are you going to have? Don't you just love pizza?